Give it a stir. Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook very simple dinner for four, stir-fry loofah with minced pork and chili garlic oil. I have 2 pieces of loofah with about 750 grams, 250 grams of minced pork, 2 stalks of spring onion cut into 1-inch length, 2 tablespoons of chili garlic oil. This is homemade chili garlic oil. I have also uploaded the video before and this is how it looked like. I will share the link down below this video as well. 1.5 tablespoons of garlic in oil. This is homemade garlic in oil. I have prepared it myself. 2 tablespoons of onion oil. If you do not have onion oil, you can use normal cooking oil. It's okay. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce and 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. Cutting loofah, we need to cut it like this. And then I will use the slicer to remove the skin, just like that. So I will go ahead and remove all the skin for both of it, and then we're going to wash it. Then after that we can cut it. These are the loofah that I have removed the skin and washed it. So if you cut the loofah, if the little bit of the skin that didn't remove it off, it is okay. So today we're going to cut it into lengthwise. So I'm going to cut it like this. Then after that we're going to cut 4. Alright, done cutting the loofah. Now we can go and cook it. Heat the pan, put in all the onion oil. Oil is getting hot. I'm going to put in the minced pork. Give it a stir. Put in all the light soy sauce. Stir fry until the minced pork changes color. We are adding in half of the garlic in oil for a nice fragrance. Half of the chili garlic oil. Give it a stir. And continue to cook for another 1 minute. Minced pork is cooked pretty fast. So now I'm adding in the loofah, putting in the balance of the chili garlic oil and the garlic in oil, oyster sauce, give it a stir. Cover the lid and let it cook for 3 minutes. After about 1.5 minutes, we need to open up and give it a stir. Cover the lid and continue to cook for another 1.5 minutes. Alright. Just about 30 seconds more. See, now the loofah is already cooked. This is just nice and crunchy. If you want it softer, you can cook it longer. Now I'm going to give it a taste. Wow, delicious, very sweet. Alright, it's time's up. At this stage, if you want to add more seasoning, you can do so. But for this stir-fry loofah with minced pork, it's really delicious. After we switch off the heat, we're going to put in the spring onion. and give it a stir. Alright, this is best served immediately. Wow, it's hot. So I'm gonna dish out and serve. Let's eat. It's gonna take this and a bit of gravy. Wow, it is very delicious. The minced pork cooked just perfectly. It's tasty, it's tender, it's delicious. And for the loofah, it's crunchy, very fragrant and very sweet. And for the gravy, it has a little bit of sweetness from the loofah, very nice fragrance of the garlic and spring onions. When the spiciness kick in, it's really perfect. I love it. If you happen to try the recipe, do share the outcome in the comment below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends and remember to subscribe for more of my simple home cooked recipe like this. Thank you and bye bye.